What's up, everybody? So today in this video we're gonna be doing a time lapse of this warrior parrot. I hope in the future I'll be doing more tutorials and like voiceovers of the time lapses, but today, since I haven't really done a video in like fucking 2 years or something, we're just doing the time lapse. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, all that good shit, you know what I'm saying? Help support the channel, the Instagram. You get the point, but you know, enjoy. I want to say it took about 12 hours or so. It's all acrylic, but I hope you guys enjoy the time lapse. You know, I'll be doing more in the future. But yeah, a little 2-day job. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe for more videos, and that's how we do it.